Hi everyone, in today's video, I'll show you how to bold text in Canva. It's a simple feature, but it can make a big difference by helping important words stand out in your designs. Let's get started. First, open an existing Canva design that already has text, or create a new project and add a text box. Click on the text you want to bold. This activates the text box and brings up the formatting toolbar at the top of your screen. In the toolbar, look for the bold icon, usually a capital letter B. Clicking it will instantly make your selected text bold. Depending on the font, the bold effect can look subtle or dramatic. If your font doesn't support bold, try switching to a different one from Canva's font library. If you can't apply bold, the text box may be locked. Click on it, check for a lock icon, and unlock the element so you can edit freely. Toggle bold on and off to compare how it changes the look of your design. Use it strategically to highlight key information without overloading the page. And that's it. You now know how to bold text in Canva, a small step that makes a big impact in grabbing attention and improving readability. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more Canva tutorials.